Hi, I'm Guerrero and I'm here today to do a video on wet smear using NSS and KOH. So the first step is you do proper hand washing and donning of your sterile gloves, making sure that you use double gloving if the patient is high risk for sexually transmitted infections. And then the next step is to wet the obtained specimen using 2 cotton pledgets with NSS, and then you prepare 2 sets of 2 wet cotton pledgets. Now we proceed to preparing all the materials for the smear, which are the following. You want to prepare 2 glass slides with 2 cover slips, and then you want to prepare normal saline in a bottle with a dropper and potassium hydroxide solution in a bottle also with a dropper. And then you want to make sure you have your gloves and you want to check if your microscope is working. After we've prepared all the materials, we now move on to performing the wet smear using the NSS. So you want to place a sample of the vaginal discharge wet with NSS in a glass slide, gently applying the glass cover slip, being careful to avoid any trapping of the air bubbles. And then we proceed to performing the wet smear using the KOH, placing a sample of the vaginal discharge wet with NSS in a glass slide, putting 2 drops of 10% potassium hydroxide on the specimen, performing whiffs test immediately after application, using your hands to have any odor towards your nose, and then you want to note for any fishy odor or amine smell. And then we now put gently the cover slip, avoiding any air bubble again, and then after that you want to look under the microscope for the following findings. So under the microscope, we observed a pear-shaped flagellated jerky motility, and under the whiffs test, there is a distinct fishy, malodorous, foul-smelling odor. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!